Calaquachero. So we will give you some tip. If you go to Paris, you must see these places. Come and join us. We will have a look. But you need to go by tram or metro because that's more easy actually. Yes, kagaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo, mas mabuti po, mas more better that you go by train or by tram here in Paris kasi mas cheap and it's also very hard to park here. So that's why you better go by tram or by train. And actually, we arrived in the afternoon. So that's why medyo rest just a moment and then in the night we went to Eiffel Tower, the number one that you must see here in Paris in the night and in the daytime. So of course, we don't waste our time. So we are here in the Eiffel Tower in the night. But the problem is we cannot go near there kasi merong Olympic. So kaya bumalik kami in the daytime pero hindi ka talaga makalapit because of the Olympic this year 2024. So there's the Eiffel Tower, maraming nakaharang but at least nakita nyo pa rin ang Eiffel Tower. Yeah, ayan si Eiffel Tower. You can also go by cruise, by boat, and then makikita mo, marami kang makikita actually if you go by cruise. At isa pa, ang Liberty of America ay nandito din. Akala mo sa New York lang, ay hindi. Meron din dito sa France, sa Paris. Yes, at kahilera din siya ng Eiffel Tower. So makikita mo mula rito ang Eiffel Tower actually. The Liberty Statue ng New York is here also in Paris. Actually, this is given by the French government to the American. This is a sign of their friendship. O, diba? Kaya nila binilagyan ng Statue of Liberty, sign of friendship of American and French people. O, diba? So, don't miss it. Kailangan din puntahan nyo to. At of course, the most expensive road here in Paris, where's all the Louis Vuitton and the signature items here makikita dito sa may Arc de Triomphe. O diba, dito lang pag diniretso nyo to, ang harapan na to, nandyan lahat ang expensive road at ang mga shopping center. Ay nako, kaya naman ngayon during Olympic, as you see, ay grabe sa dami ng pulis ngayon dito talaga kasi super duper naman mamahalin ang road na to at you can go actually by hop of bus, so you can see really a lot of things here in Paris. Look, there's a lot of police because of the Olympic. Ngayon lang naman yan because may Olympic, but normally wala naman masyadong ganyan. And of course, you don't miss the Louvre, the museum ng Louvre. Yeah, don't miss it. Of course, it's really beautiful inside. At nag-aabang dyan ang si Mona Lisa. But you can also do picture outside here in Louvre. At maganda talaga siya. Ang kapaligiran niya at ang buong building dito sa Louvre. Yan, ang daming tao. Always, as usual, nagpapapicture sa triangle. At meron siyang, actually ngayon ay Olympic. So may Olympic sign pa siya. At magandang mag-picnic din dito sa park ng Louvre. Ayan, you can bring your some sandwich at mag-picnic dyan. At now, we are here by Catacombs. IPT, hindi namin naabutan kasi sarado. And they only open actually from Tuesday till Sunday till 8:30 p.m. So, kaya ngayon ay magtre-train uli kami going to our next destination. At nandito kami ngayon sa Notre Dame. Ayan, it's quite, actually meron siyang harang pa rin ng Notre Dame dahil 5 years ago, nasunog po siya. So, ginagawa pa rin siya. So, this is Notre Dame. And, of course, ayan, picture muna kami sa Notre Dame. At dito, in the surrounding, you can have a nice crepes at pancake. At after that, handito kami sa Of course, Sacré-Cœur. Malapit lang to sa bahay namin. Sa pinagstayhan namin, ang Sacré-Cœur. Kaya nag-walk lang kami actually papunta dito. At meron dito, makita nyo, may mga nagdo-drawing dito. Art talaga. At dito rin sa may street ng Sacré-Cœur, ang maraming souvenir. Para makakabili kayo ng maraming souvenir, candy, chocolate, at may favorite Chinese ako store dyan. At of course, malapit lang, maglalakad ka lang. 700 meters, nasa Moulin Rouge. Of course, the Red District here in Paris, sa Netherlands. Kung meron kami sa Amsterdam, meron din naman of course ang Paris Red District and Moulin Rouge. At masyado sang popular talaga. Grabe. So, ayan, natapos ang maghapon namin. So, ngayon, uuwi na kami by train naman uli. Thank you so much guys for watching. At huwag niyong kalilimutan pumunta sa Versailles at saka pumunta sa Chantelet. Yan, sa labas ng Paris.